Okay, welcome to Chapter 5, Lesson 1, Multiply by Tens. So let's start with our story problem. Miss Rita took 20 pictures at the zoo. She printed the pictures so that each of her 25 students could have a copy. How many pictures did she print? So we are finding 25 times 20. Now in this example, we're going to show you two different ways that you can actually think about this multiplication problem. The first is to use the distributive property. So we're going to think of 20 as 2 times 10. Therefore, 25 times 20 is the same as 25 times 2 times 10. And we know that double 25, because you guys all know your doubles, double 25 is 50 times 10. 50 times 10, well, the basic fact is 5 times 1, which is 5. And ask yourself, how many zeros are on the factors? And that's how many zeros should be on the product. So, Miss Rita, we've used the associative property of multiplication. So Miss Rita has printed 500 pictures. Okay? The other way is to think of it as the paper pencil method, the standard algorithm, call it the mommy-daddy method. Okay? We can call it any one of those three things. So, 0 ones times 25, here in red, is 0. Okay? So let's repeat that 0 down here in the second step. And now we're going to multiply 2 times 25. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. We'll regroup. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So we have 500. You could have also looked at this as double 25, and you guys all know that 2 quarters equals 50 cents, and so that's what we have here. So 2 tens times 25 is 500. Okay? All right, so let's look at our second example. All right. Here, an electronics store has 30 digital music players that cost $99 each. How much do the digital music players cost all together? So we need to find 99 times 30, and note that number 30 is a multiple of 10. So we have here 0 ones times 99 is 0. So let's record that over there. And then step 2, we have 3 tens times the 99. So we'll record our 0 here, and now let's multiply our 3 times our 99. 9 times 3 is 27. We'll regroup. 9 times 3 is 27, 28, 29, using touch points. So, 3 tens times 99 is 297. So the music players cost a total of $2,970. Let's look down here at a couple of guided practice problems. Number 1 is a walk in the park for you guys, because look at the basic fact. 36 times 1 is 36. And ask yourself, how many zeros were on my factors? There was 1 0 on the factor, therefore there needs to be 1 0 on the product. Okay, let's do one more. 53 times 30. We know that 53 times 0 is always going to be 0 in the ones place. So I can say 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? So don't forget, don't skip our little helpful hint. It says when you multiply a number by a multiple of 10, the digit in the ones place is always 0. It's a good hint to know.